Hello guys, welcome to Ikra Technology. Today we will learn about identifiers in Java. So in Java programming, identifiers are names used to identify variables, methods, class, and other elements in your code. They act as a label to help you refer the different components with your programs. Okay? So basically it are the names of variables, method, classes, and other elements in the code. Okay? So here are some rules for naming identifiers. First is our start with a letter, underscore, or dollar. Okay, we have to start with these things only. For example, identifier must begins with a letter A to Z or capital A to Z and underscore or a dollar sign. However, the dollar sign is not recommended unless generated by tools. You can include letter, digits, and underscore. After the first character, you can use letter, digits, or underscore or dollar sign, but you cannot give numbers at the beginning. Okay? Java is a case sensitive language, means identifiers are case sensitive, meaning my variable with V capital and my variable with V small are treated as different identifiers. Okay, means every capital and small letter differs with each other. Cannot be reversed keywords. Identifiers cannot use Java reserved keywords like int, class, public, etc. Means you cannot give names like this. Okay, so let us see with examples I have taken in our Visual Studio Code. So for example, here they both are different because here I is small and here I is capital. And now if I will give a number here, then it will not accept it. It will show me an error because we cannot include number at the beginning of an element. So if I will use that number between I and D, so it will not show an error. Okay. And if I will use dollar sign in the beginning, then it will also not show me any error. Okay. So this is how the identifiers work. Okay. If I will use here dollar, then it will print that. See, it displayed our output. But if I use only identifier here, which have a capital one, and I'm taking the capital one here also, so will it print the small one? No, it will not print this smaller one because they both are different. If I have to print that one, then I have to use small letter here. So it will print the first one. And this is how we use identifiers to define different things. And now here are the importance of descriptive identifiers. So using meaningful names for identifier improves code readability and maintainability. While shorter names are quicker to type, descriptive names give context about the purpose of the variable, making the code more understandable. So basically here we give the name of the variable as we are giving it value. So basically as per the value our name should be, which makes the code more understandable. Okay. So for example here int minutes per hour. So you can basically understand that what here variable wants to show you. So it are 60. There are 60 minutes per hour. Okay. So this is how descriptive identifiers are very important in every programming language. Now here are less descriptive example. The variable m is less descriptive and can make the code confusing, especially to others or when revisiting the code later. Int m is equal to 60. So here no one can clearly understand that m is used for minute only. It can also be months or etc. For example, motorcycle or anything else. For 5 years we have to 60 month. So this is how it works. So using descriptive identifier is very important, which makes the code more understandable. And these are the rules which you should use to identify a variable or anything else. Okay, it should start from alphabets only. It can also start with underscore and dollar also. Okay, and you can use number in the middle only. You cannot use the number in the beginning of the variable, classes, or methods, etc. And Java is case sensitive, means my variable and my variable with small v are different. Okay, and you cannot use reserved keywords for naming them. So today we saw identifiers in Java. Thank you.